Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to find people on X through contacts. So first of all, you have to sync your contacts. Let's do that together. So open X on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. In this menu, let's scroll a little bit down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now let's go to discoverability and contacts, and here finally under the section, under the tab contacts, you want to find option that says sync address book contacts. Please turn this on, and after this, X application will ask you to decide if you want to share all of your contacts that you have on your address book on your phone, or you can select specific people from your contacts that you want to share on X. So do that, and let's now find people from your contacts. You have to go to search tab at the bottom side of the screen, which looks like magnifying glass icon. Now let's scroll until you reach who to follow section. Let's tap show more simply to expand the list. And now all you have to do is scroll through this list, and different people from your contacts may appear right here in this page. And if you find someone from your contacts and, for example, you want to follow them, you just have to use this black follow button next to this person that you want to follow, and you will be subscribed to their page. So that's basically how you can find people on X through contacts. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.